This session is specially designed for you to help regrow your hair, reset your stress response, and awaken your body's natural healing intelligence. As you listen, your nervous system will downshift, your adrenal system will rebalance, and your hair cells will begin to restore their youth and vitality. You're about to enter a deeply relaxing, healing state where your mind can influence your body's natural intelligence to restore hair growth, vitality, and emotional balance. Please make sure you are in a quiet place where you will not be disturbed. Sit or lay down in a supported, comfortable position. Your phone is silenced. Whether you are listening during the day or just before sleep, let this be your time to fully relax and receive. You love listening to this recording because every time you do, you feel more relaxed, more at peace, and more connected to your body's healing wisdom. So just make yourself comfortable with your hands and feet not quite touching. I want you to roll your eyes as if you're trying to look into your own eyebrows. Just fix your eyes on a real or imagined spot overhead, and just for a few seconds, keep your eyes glued to that real or imagined spot. Breathe in and breathe out. Your eyelids are becoming heavy, droopy, drowsy. Keeping your eyebrows up, again just breathe in and breathe out. Each time you blink, that is hypnosis coming upon you. One more time, breathe in, keep your eyebrows up, and just close your eyelids right down. Breathe out. That fluttering sensation is the first sign that you are responding wonderfully and perfectly. Your eyes are still shut, closed tight, and you can just forget all about your eyes and allow a drifting, floating feeling to develop in your body. Now imagine you are looking down 10 steps. Drop your chin just a fraction so you feel that looking down sensation, like you might when standing over a balcony or at the top of a staircase. You are looking down 10 steps. And as I count down, you will see, feel and hear your feet taking each step. Step 10, each muscle, every nerve, turn loose, let loose, and you go deeper. Step 9, going deeper. Step 8, feel your feet, hear them treading each step. Step 7, drifting deeper into an awareness of yourself. Step 6, relaxing more deeply. Step 5, halfway down, letting go completely. Step 4, deeper still. Step 3, every sound carries you deeper and deeper. Step 2, gently, calmly, easily down, deeper and deeper. Step 1, just sleep deeply. When I say sleep deeply, this is a sleep of the nervous system, not unconscious sleep, but a deep inner stillness. As I click my fingers, go deeper, drip deeper, drift deeper, sink deeper. Now bring your attention to your fingertips. Simply think of the tips of your fingers and notice the tinglings begin. You don't need to try, your focus alone activates the response. That sensation increases, expand to your whole hand. Now place your awareness on the tip of your tongue. You feel that same tingling arise again, effortlessly. This is how powerful your mind is. This is how easily your body responds to thought, and your body is listening. Your body hears you, it listens to you because you're in charge now. Now allow that floating sensation to spread across your whole head. And as this energy expands through your scalp, begin to notice the difference between the areas where hair grows, vibrant, alive, and where it doesn't grow, maybe dull, heavy, perhaps itchy. Now, with your inner eye, look down at your scalp. You can see the colors of energy in each area. Bright, radiant color where the hair is strong. Dimmer where it needs healing. Your scalp is speaking to you, and you are listening. Your scalp is like fertile ground, responding to nourishment, warmth, and peace. You feel a tingling in your scalp as your hair bulbs and roots wake up. Each day, every night, you gently use your fingertips to stimulate the blood flow, bringing everything your hair needs to grow full, strong, and healthy. Now let's go deeper. Now shift your awareness to your adrenal glands, just above the kidneys. They are small, triangular, about 5 cm wide and 2.5 cm high. Visualize them. How do they appear to you? Understanding is power. You understand now that your adrenal glands produce cortisol and DHEA to help you manage pressure in moments of stress, whether from social tension, college deadlines, early career decisions, family expectations, or inner pressure. These glands surge into action, and that's healthy, in balance. But prolonged stress can overwhelm them. A healthy surge helps you act and adapt. But too much for too long keeps your system in survival mode, draining energy, disturbing balance, and contributing to hair loss. But you are now choosing to change that. You're now resetting. You're no longer stuck in survival. You are commanding balance. You are upgrading your internal system. You are sending the message: restore, reboot, regrow. You let go of that image and go deeper still. You are now listening with your subconscious, easily, perfectly. Your conscious mind drifts away, and you remember you have a powerful desire and a natural ability to regrow your hair and reclaim the vibrant confidence of your youth. You are ready to restore your hair and reclaim your natural balance. You are speaking to your cells. You are reprogramming them. Every sleeping cell is being instructed to return to its original imprint and coding. You are commanding your follicles to wake up, exactly as nature intended them to work when everything was new and thriving. You are updating your internal code, like installing a clean new system where every hair cell responds perfectly. You're using your mind to influence your body, because your body is run by intelligence, and your mind is the programmer. You are communicating with your cells now. I command every hair follicle to regenerate now. I am commanding, directing, and instructing every single hair follicle to return to its original perfect blueprint and to begin growing thick, healthy hair now. I instruct each follicle to fully awaken, to receive optimal blood flow, oxygen, and nutrients, and to grow new, strong, vibrant hair. I command every scalp cell to become fertile, nourished, ground for strong, healthy hair, to grow full of vitality, oxygen, and life. Each scalp cell now function at its highest capacity, regenerating tissue and activating follicle repair. I direct every cell of my adrenal glands to return to hormonal balance, to produce only what supports calm, safety, and full physical restoration. I command my adrenal system to release any imprint of stress or trauma and to activate optimal functioning easily and naturally. I instruct all dormant hair stem cells to awaken now, to replicate, to regenerate, and to create new, healthier. You're going back to the time when your hair cells function at full strength, when your adrenal system pulsed in balance, when your inner world and outer world were in sync, because your body is run by a network of intelligence, fully responsive to your thoughts. You are communicating with your DNA now. You are commanding your cells to restore the original blueprint, their perfect template as nature intended. You're updating your body's operation system, and it now runs hair growth effortlessly, just like it did before. Your hair cells are remembering what it was like when they functioned perfectly. Your mind is activating that memory and restoring that function. Imagine your hair becoming thicker, stronger, more resilient each day. Each cell is responding to your command, replacing itself with a younger, healthier one. Rejuvenation is happening now. The healing has begun. Visualize your hair cells becoming young again, performing at peak capacity. Hair strands growing stronger, roots anchoring deeper, scalp softening and opening. You are creating lush, strong, vibrant hair. Each cell is replacing itself with one that's younger, stronger, better. You are restoring your emotional resilience, your mental clarity, and your youthful confidence. You are grounded, self-assured, and proud of who you are becoming. Your sense of self-worth is increasing. Your inner drive is returning, and your brilliant subconscious is responding now to every image, every word, locking this change into your reality. You are returning to your original blueprint. Your cells remember. Your mind is awakening that memory. Each time you think these thoughts, your body obeys. This is rejuvenation. This is real. This is happening. You are upgrading the operating system of your body. You are installing healthy hormone balance, optimal health regeneration, powerful follicle activation, hair restoration protocols. Your subconscious is the most powerful software, and you are writing the script. Your thoughts are commands, your words are instructions, your image are code, and your system is listening. I command every hair follicle to regenerate now. I am commanding, directing, and instructing every single hair follicle to return to its original perfect blueprint and to begin growing thick, healthy hair now. I instruct each follicle to fully awaken, to receive optimal blood flow, oxygen, and nutrients, and to grow new, strong, vibrant hair. I command every scalp cell to become fertile, nourished, ground for strong, healthy hair, to grow full of vitality, oxygen, and life. Each scalp cell now functions at its highest capacity, regenerating tissue and activating follicle repair. I direct every cell of my adrenal glands to return to hormonal balance, to produce only what supports calm, safety, and full physical restoration. I command my adrenal system to release any imprint of stress or trauma and to activate optimal functioning easily and naturally. I instruct all dormant hair stem cells to awaken now, to replicate, to regenerate, and to create new, healthier shafts. Every sleeping cell is returning to life now. I direct each one to remember its perfect design and to rebuild, restore, and renew. Now return to that image of your head. See your adrenal glands functioning perfectly, calm, balanced, efficient, golden. See your hair growing faster, thicker, stronger. Visualize yourself looking in the mirror. You run your hands through your thick, strong, healthy hair, admiring the results of your healing. You feel proud, confident. You love seeing yourself thriving. You feel empowered, energized, at peace with your body. You love how you look. You love how you feel. And you love listening to this recording because every time you do, It deepens your results and strengthening your transformation. You know this healing is already happening physically, mentally, emotionally. You know this healing is powerful. It is permanent. It is coming from you. I command every hair follicle to regenerate now. I instruct every follicle to receive nourishment now. I direct each one to produce thick, strong hair, now and always. Hair growth is activated. Hair growth is natural. Hair growth is happening now. Now, if you are listening during the day, you can begin to return to full awareness, taking this new calm, this new clarity into your day with purpose and strength, carrying this renewed energy and confidence into your conversations, your creative pursuits, your goals, and your passions. If you listen at night, you can drift into a deep, healing sleep. Let your subconscious mind go to work for you, regenerating, renewing, restoring. Dream deeply and peacefully. Let this healing continue while you rest. You can sleep deeply now or rest in calm awareness, letting the healing continue, just as it should. Your subconscious will keep working, restoring your body, balancing your hormones, renewing your hair, long after this recording ends. This transformation is yours now, and every time you return to this recording, it will go deeper, become stronger, and become part of who you are. You are healing, you are transforming, you are whole.